Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle stands on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Venom Sport Bike Motorcycle Front and Amp, Rear Combo Wheel Lift Stands. If you prefer using both the front and rear motorcycle stands, this set of rear spools plus front fork will be an excellent choice for you. It allows you to safely lift the rear and front of your bike at the same time for hassle-free repair and maintenance. Both the rear and front stands are made from high-grade steel metal to enable them to withstand regular use and all sorts of abuse without any signs of tear or wear, for years and years to come. The rear stand, in particular, comes engineered with a force ratio that translates to easier handling anytime you wish to repair, clean, or store your bike. As for the front stand, it features under-fork rubber-coated adapters. These help ensure your forks don't suffer from scratches or damages during the lifting process. And unlike most models which feature only 2 wheels, these 2 stands come equipped with up to 4 legs to ensure easy maneuverability and enhanced stability on different terrain settings. Highlighted features: rear spool and front fork stand set. High-grade steel construction. Adequately lifts the entire bike. Ideal for most sports bikes. Super easy to assemble. Number 2. Our second best pick is Excel PST004 Gold Universal Triangle Motorcycle Stand. This is probably the most cost-effective motorcycle stand you can find on the market today. Featuring a nicely built form and a lightweight design, this stand costs you less than $20 but offers you remarkable features for a great performance. Just like the high-end stands, this model features heavy-duty steel construction to enable it to hold up to the weight of any bike and last long, even with daily use. On top of it, it features a zinc coating which shields the metal from rust and corrosion for maximum longevity. Note that this stand comes with an incredibly compact and lightweight design, so you can easily take it with you to the trail. What's more, its welded tip is designed in such a way that it can fit virtually any motorcycle ranging from 80 cubic centimeters to 500 cubic centimeters ground pounders. As long as you use this stand to lift bikes within this range, it'll allow you safe and easy access to your bike parts for cleaning, maintenance, and even storage. Highlighted features: welded tips for virtually all bikes. Heavy-duty steel construction. Rust and corrosion-proof zinc coating. Space-saving motorcycle stand. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tusk Motorcycle Wheel Balancing and Truing Stand. Your bike's wheel maintenance just got easier with Tusk Motorcycle Wheel Balancing and Truing Stand. If you're primarily concerned about balancing and truing your bike wheels, we highly suggest that you get your hands on this pro-grade wheel balancer and truer today. One of the key features that enable this stand to perform its job exemplary well involves the adjustable frame rails. This means you can customize the rails to fit the wheels of different sizes, up to 21 inches, allowing you to balance and true just any bike. Another exciting thing about this stand is its fantastic ability to center everything up. Its secret lies in the center shaft, which features wheel centering cones, measuring 15 mm tapering to 32 mm, plus it rides on up to 4 bearings to eliminate friction for smooth performance. For professional grade wheel truing, you can fully trust the wheel's adjustable rim pointer. Don't forget that the stand features a leveling bubble and adjustable rubber feet at its base to make it level on all terrains for exceptional balancing results. Overall, this is a quality tool to have as a motorcycle rider. With all features and functions you need to balance, lace, and true your motorcycle wheel, this is an extraordinary stand that will offer you an exceptional value, whether you use it at home or your motorcycle repair shop. Highlighted features: professional grade motorcycle stand. Adjustable frame rails for different wheel sizes. Adjustable rim paint for truing wheels. Adjustable rubber feet. Leveling bubble at the base. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MOTO-D Swingarm Front and Amp, Rear Motorcycle Stands. Still looking for a dependable rear and front motorcycle stands combo? If yes, this MOTO-D is another excellent choice for you. Unlike the other combo that popped up our motorcycle stand reviews earlier, this model is constructed using aluminum for maximum durability while keeping its weight to an incredible low. Unlike most of the stands out there that feel wobbly and come with exaggerated price tags, this stand feels pretty stable and is incredibly easy to use. It has undergone recent upgrades like incorporating front roller design to promote easy front wheel lifting. The most recent update involves the adjustable width, turn knobs, and universal fitment design. This means you can use this stand to lift all the modern sports bikes with rear swing-arm spools. The brand behind this stand constantly keeps upgrading it based on the previous user's feedback to ensure it satisfies all your unique needs and expectations. This, along with unmatched stability and easy operation, is probably the reason why the stand enjoys wild popularity from riders all over the globe. Highlighted features: durable aluminum sports bike stand, rolling rubber inline wheels, fits sports bikes with rear swing-arm spools. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is MAXXHAUL 80401 regular motorcycle wheel cleaning stand. Finally, on our best motorcycle stands, we have the MAXXHAUL 80401. If you find it hard to give your baby's tires and rims a thorough clean due to lack of balance and support, this stand is made to solve your problem for good. The stand is straightforward and easy to use. It eliminates the need to move your bike back and forth to reach the different areas of the rims. Not only cleaning, the stand will let you hassle-freely conduct other maintenance tasks such as checking tire pressure, finding air valve system, chain maintenance, and more. You never have to worry about your bike tipping over while working on it. The stand features 6 non-slip rubber feet plus diamond knurled rollers that increase gripability and hence your bike's stability. As you can easily guess, this top-rated motorcycle stand speaks quality inside out. It boasts of a high-quality aluminum frame which will not corrode and rust easily, and is easy to clean. Above all, this stand features a genuinely compact design, plus it feels as light as a feather, at only 4 pounds, making it easy to store or transport to any place. Highlighted features: aluminum ramp, 6 non-slip rubber feet for stability, diamond knurled rollers for gripability, rust-proof aluminum construction, max weight capacity, 500 pounds. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.